Hey there, aspiring chefs. Ever wondered how to climb up the culinary ladder and become a sous chef? Well, buckle up, because I've got some pro tips just for you. First things first, master your basics. Seriously, there's no shortcut here. Perfect your knife skills, understand flavor profiles, and get comfortable with cooking techniques. Imagine you're creating your culinary foundation. Solid, right? Next, embrace the grind. Being a chef isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. Be ready for long hours, weekends, and holidays. Show your dedication and passion. Trust me, it won't go unnoticed. Now let's talk organization. As a sous chef, you'll need to manage the kitchen and the team. So get good at multitasking, stay organized, and always keep your station clean. It's all about efficiency and setting an example for others. Communication is key. You'll be the bridge between the head chef and the rest of the team. Work on your communication skills and learn to give clear instructions. Oh, and don't forget to listen. A good leader is also a good listener. And remember, never stop learning. The culinary world is always evolving. Stay curious, read books, watch tutorials, and experiment with new techniques and ingredients. This will keep you ahead of the game. Networking is crucial too. Get to know fellow chefs, attend culinary events, and be active in the chef community. You never know where your next opportunity might come from. Finally, be patient. Becoming a sous chef takes time and effort, but if you stay focused and passionate, you'll get there. So, there you have it. Master your basics, embrace the grind, stay organized, communicate well, keep learning, network, and be patient. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to becoming a sous chef. Happy cooking!